Okay guys, today we have a pretty exciting day. First and foremost, we are going to be reviewing the ALLPOWERS 2600 power station and their 400 watt solar panels. Right after that, we're going to head up that hill not too far from the cabin build, about 100 yards. I found a cave last fall and I was curious to see what was living in it, and you're not gonna believe what's living on this property with me. And secondly, I am going to show you some clips of what's happening here over the next few months. I've got a bunch of emails last week and they're all pretty exciting. First off, I'm going to show you the panel, then I'm going to take this inside where it's better lighting and we'll quickly review the power station and I'll show you what I've been using it for. Let's get into it. These panels, and I'll show you what they're all about. So you have a couple straps on the other side right here. Press in, stand them up, and also they have the nice velcroed in. Something else too, they have the nice strap where they won't let you go past the 45-degree mark, and they'll come back in. So, also comes with a nice pouch right here. And inside here are your cables, right here, and comes with a bunch of extra cables and these hooks. I'm going to show you those in a second. I'll show you all these items once we get into a better lighting area. Okay, so let's zip this back up. So all you do, you unfold, and you unfold, and you unfold. So let's kick these out here, give myself a little more room. I usually do the two center ones first. Come down, come back, there, and come over here. Like that. So every panel has a leg. So these are 400 watts of solar panels. Now, something that I really like about this panels, they have these sewed in loops. You take these connectors, you put them on here. So if you want to hang these, just go along, you hook all these in here, and you're going to hang them up on a wall or something. I think that is very smart, and it's nice the fact that they supply these. So come have a look, I'll show you. Very easy to set up. So there's your legs. As you can see, they're all standing there. And there's the straps that I was talking about. So when you lean them up, they'll suck right back in. There you have it. Beautiful. And like I said, these are 400 watt solar panels. Lift that up, and the leg is already back in. Lift it up. There you have it. Now that we're inside, let's have a look at the ALLPOWERS 2016 watt hour capacity. It is a 2500 watt pure sine wave with a 4000 watt peak. Also, it's a maximum 2500 watt dual input in 1 hour. So if you plug this into AC into a wall unit and have solar on it, it will charge in 1 hour. That's incredible. Okay, so if you hook this up to 1000 watts of solar, it will be charged in 2 hours. So there's 5 ways to charge this. AC, solar, auto. You can plug it into your vehicle, into a generator. This unit is perfect for your home backup. PO4 battery with over 3500 charge capacity. And this unit, expandable up to 3 times with B1000 expansion batteries. That's pretty awesome that you can have, and I'll show you the setups in a second. Do this. So up top here we have 2 USB-C 100 watts, and then right below it here we have 4. On the left hand side is USB-A 18 watts, and on the right hand side we have USB-A 12 watts. So down below we have 2 20 amp plugs, your regular household 120 volt, and the same thing with these ones over here. Then let's jump up here for a sec. We have, let me get my hand on it, we have 2 12 volt 10 amp plugins, and then you have your regular cigarette lighter plug-in. Then down here we have the 20 amp RV plug. This has been very handy for me. I plug my RV directly into this and it has been working perfectly. So let's turn the unit around. Press here. So you have your charger, this cable. You have a reset button, and then you have your where you plug your solar in. Okay, so that's that. So you have two expansion battery plug-ins. So if you want to add on to this, there they are. You can put two extra batteries on here. That is an awesome feature. Okay, so what it comes with, there's your charging cable. Now, this cable here is what comes with the solar panel. So there's already one on there. And then this one here comes with these ends. So it comes with this one, and it also comes with this one. You can download the app and run this unit from your phone, either ISO or Android. Now, okay, so right now we're charging the four-wheeler battery. We're charging the battery up there for the saws. And actually, let's put this one on too. What are we doing? What are we bringing in here? 76. We're only bringing in 8 watts right now, but that'll change as soon as that sun comes out. This is an old compressor. It's probably 15 to 20 years old. Let's see if this is actually gonna work. Oh yeah! Nothing. Okay, we're charging the quad with the battery charger. 2 batteries, that's a big one. That's a big battery too. That's taking a lot of juice. And my friends, that guy up there is creating the power. See that big circle behind the clouds? Look at that. That's how we're doing it here. Watt panel we're bringing in, it was actually just up to 380. It just dropped down because we have a little bit of cloud cover. That's pretty good. We're throwing out 114 now without the compressor, with all the batteries being charged, and we're bringing in 250. It's pretty awesome. Okay, we just walked up the trail. Let's come in here and I'll show you what we found. Okay, so there's the camera I have set up, and look at this. What do you guys think is living down there? So let's look at the footage from this camera, and you guys tell me what you think is the most dangerous predator I have living here. The cabin is going to be right there, maybe about 100 yards away. Okay guys, what do you think? I think at one point in time, this was maybe a bear den. I know for a fact, and it's been on camera here, there's a cougar in the area besides what you saw here. Now, I'd love to hear in the comments what you think the biggest predator is I have here, but I'm gonna tell you what I think it is. And I think it's the skunk. And for 2 reasons. They're nasty when it comes to chickens. They spent more time last year digging under my fences and trying to get at my chickens. And another reason, because I don't want Sophie getting sprayed. If she's out at night with me or something and she gets sprayed, what a disaster. So for me, it is the skunk. Tell me in the comments what you think it is. Now, if anybody knows what this may be, please tell me, because I'd really love to know. So the hole is probably 2.5 feet this way and probably 1.5 feet this way. Okay guys, we got some pretty exciting videos coming up. Like I said in the emails, the cabin is a go. We're gonna start that, and I was doing some measuring the other day and I found out it was a disaster. When I had the excavator here last winter and I was digging that hole in the dark, I made a huge mistake. So that's coming up, and I'm going to show you some clips of some of the other things that I've been doing here. That end of the property over there is my sawmill area. It was a disaster too. I spent a couple days cleaning it up. Have a look at that. A whole bunch of big projects coming up. We have to get some concrete poured down there. I'm going to show you how to do that. I just found another big mistake on the drawings, so I'm waiting for an answer on that. Anyway, it's going to be pretty exciting. I'm going to end the video here. Have a look at some of these clips, and please, by all means, in the comments, tell me what you think about this hole, and also which predator you think may be the worst to have on this property. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.